Hi there, it's May the 30th. Um, well, we have had a discussion on what to do with our home, and I thought maybe we need a rather heterogeneous system to manage our home improvements. So, Claude, I want to ask you. First, I will just check what model it is. 4.8. Yeah, that's nice. Um, what is the effort level? High. Yeah, that's cool. Uh, we need a rather heterogeneous IT system to manage our home and improvements there. It is likely needing to be modeled in some graph way. What I am after is basically a mixture of an inventory, a 3D model with visualizations, a room planner, a Kanban project manager, and a collaboration chat, and also document document archive or agreements, orders, receipts, invoices, etc. Basically everything needed for transforming a messy house with inadequate spaces into a well organized, newly remade house. It should be from some AI harness. So you will interact with an AI chat, multimodal web UI. It should be able to self-improve and be versed. I prefer Rust for most things, unless there are good reasons to not use Rust. It is okay to use other systems like Blender, etc. if it makes sense. So this is a rather complex prompt. I have no idea what Claude will make out of it, but I will pan out to workflow. Maybe after a good planning session. So I wonder what that one-shot prompt will be able to deliver. Okay, it wondered if it should be a practical tool or ambitious self-improving AI platform or a balance. I just said a practical tool. Oh, the most painful gap. So is it C or D? I think it's D. Task project tracking. C. Me and partner collaboration live. I don't need outside parties just yet in this system. I think I will rename this. Okay, I said that AI should be an AI chat should be the primary interface. That's maybe not the truth after the later, but I wanted it done quickly, and I told them to use Rafin. That is my AI library or crate. Okay, we made a sort of architecture and a phased roadmap and asked me to approve it, and I just approved it. I want to see how fast he can get a prototype running. While it's planning out its sub-agents, I will check on other things, okay? This is the new workflow view, but I think I have shown you that. But it's really interesting that it makes big plans and it does it in phases and we check what each agent is doing in its phases. So if we, for example, goes into here and we'll check what the graph sub-agent did. We are planning agent for Domus and AI chat, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Okay. It's ready with the investigation. So it's doing the synthesis. Hmm. As you might have seen, I'm very tired. Oj, vad trött jag är. Oh, I'm so tired. Mm. Okay, cool. Oh, mm, 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 oh, mm, 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 mm. Okay. No, I'll keep falling asleep. We have to postpone here. I will do that. So